So I'll try to explain on how to pick this film. First, take your film picker and make sure all of the tongues are aligned together, like this. Next, slit your tongues into the opening of the canister. You see over here there are two tabs. Go to the first tab and push inwards halfway, or some of us will do it in full, but for me I'll just do it in halfway until you feel that there is a little bit of tension here. Next, turn this knob until you hear a click sound. Next, push the remaining tab into or near to the first tab. Last, pull. And you get your film. Next, you need a changing bag. Pay a changing bag. Changing bag or dark bag. One tip, when you try to use a dark bag, remember always keep this flap. There's a flap here. Always keep this flap downwards. Okay? If not, you are going to get light leaks. Of course, you need a scissor for cutting your film leader and when you load your reels. Before you start, this sometimes will block the film reel, so you have to cut this off. Let's cut it here. You see it? Cut here. And also remember, see over here there's a little sharp. Just cut a little bit here of the tab. I'll show you if you can see this. There's a little bit here, so that it notches inward. It'll be a lot easier for you to load your film later. Put everything in the tank. Usually I'll put this film together with the tank and cover this. Although later you will I will not be using this for the development. Anyhow, everything you put it in one package, so it's going to be easier for you to do it to load it later. Let's cover it like this. Set. For this demonstration, we are not going to be able to see the inside of a dark bag, so I'm going to do it in bright daylight. Okay. Imagine, for now, just imagine you have three things inside your dark bag. First is your reel, your tank. Over here, there's a film ready to be loaded into the film reel, but for us, we are not going to use this because I have just shot this in the morning. And we are going to use this instead to demonstrate to you how it would be loaded if this film reel is inside the dark bag. First, put everything into, okay, including the film, into the tank, okay, and close your dark bag. Okay? Close it tightly, make sure that there won't be any possible light leaks and so on. And slip your hands into the dark bag, okay? Like this. Okay? Remember, your scissors will be on your right, the developing tank will be on your left. Okay? Open the tank, okay? Yeah. Okay? And put this over this side. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Feel your film, okay? And put it on the right, next to the scissors. Next, slip open this cap alongside with this little winding stick, agitation stick, okay? And put it sideways. Open the thing, okay, and put it on the left. Okay. Next, you take out the spool, okay, and attach. Yeah, make sure that it is. You can do it actually by still attaching this tube with your film reel. Next, feel the notches here and make sure that we are on this direction, on the right side. So when you use it, okay, it will turn, the arrow is towards the anti-clockwise. Next, feel your film on the right. Okay. Make sure that you get the tab. Okay. You pull the tab like a normal film reel, okay, and try to feel it, okay, and slit it towards the notches. Okay. Sometimes you see that you will go up. Yeah. Be careful. Yeah. Not to force it too hard, or your film will be damaged. Okay. Next, in this wiggle tank, or sometimes maybe you have Jobo tank, you will see this kind of notches. Yeah. And in a Peterson tank, over here there is a small ball bearing to help you with. Okay. You can use either side, either way, yeah. But for me, I'll just do it this way. I use the thumb here to slowly push a little bit by bit, until when you feel that it got stuck. Usually it's a Jobo tank reel. It's the notch here that has been stuck to the side of your tank, the film sprocket. So you reposition it, yeah, gently, and slowly push until, okay, you feel that it is moving forward. Okay. Slowly, bit by bit, you will be able to slit it through. If not, you can help it by feeling the edges and try to pull it inside so that it goes smoothly. Slowly but steadily try to load the film. Okay. If you get stuck again in this scenario, just try to wiggle the side of the film and try to continue. Usually it will be easier along the way. If it is too tight, then you take this out and put it back in. and continue. If it's too tight, if it's not, just keep it there. And slowly, just keep the loop. Load until you get the whole thing in. Usually until here, your canister will be still sticking outside. Like such, sticking outside. So I feel that it's on the edge. So what do? Imagine this, there's a canister here. When you pull this, usually the tab will go out. Make sure the tab stays inside before you do anything. Use a thumb, press it up. Get your scissors by feeling it, and be careful of the sharp edges. Put it this way first. Feel one side of the blade, okay? Then gently push it forward and hold it like this. You, by using double motion, close the film, the scissors, and therefore it will be a lot safer because you're not touching the edges. It won't cut you. Okay. Pull aside, push aside, and put your scissors aside, and imagine this is a canister. Put it here. Then finish it with rolling in the film until it's behind this tab. Make sure that your film will not overlap with each other, and you're done. Next, feel the notches here again. Make sure that it's on the front like this. Then take your tube and stick it from the right until the end. Put this into it, the tank, cap the cap, make sure everything is tight. Put this back and try to spin it, making sure that the tube is aligned well so that it can move freely, and cover the lid. And now you're ready for developing.